All right, hopefully you're starting to get this down, but the only difference between the last section and this section is the mean and the standard deviation are different than 0 and 1. So we just do the same thing we've been doing. We grab the mean, we grab the new standard deviation, update these things in our calculator, zoom in if we want to see these values, and then we change these min and max values to get these probabilities. So the first one says what percent have a temperature between 98 and 99. So 98 there, 99 there, there's our answer. All right, half of adults' temperature is going to be in that range. All right, what percentage of healthy adults have a body temperature more than 100 or low temperature less than 97? So this is one of those, like from the last section, where we're going above the max and below the min, or above the upper number and below the lower number. So I'm going to change the upper number to 100. I'm going to change the lower number to 97. And this is the value between the two, but we were asked below 97 and above 100. So I have to subtract that value from 1. All right, and there's my answer to 4 decimal places. All right, what's the probability of a healthy adult having a body temperature that differs from the population mean by more than 1 degree? All right, the mean body temperature is 98.6. So if we went down to 97.6 on that end and 99.6 on the upper end, again, that's the area between the two. All right, that's less than, that would be the probability of having a temperature less than 1 degree away from the mean, either way. But again, to get more than, to go on the outside of that, we change that to 1 minus the number. All right, so I'm rounding that to 4 places there. These typically get rounded to 3 or 4 places. And there's the value there. Just make sure you pay attention to where they tell you to round to on your homework problems. So again, very, very similar to the standard normal ones. It's just the mean's no longer 0 and the standard deviation is no longer 1. And these actually mean something. And again, whatever technology you use, just remember, once you get the number, you interpret it. So that 0.0526 that we got for between 98 and 99, it's about 50% of the healthy adults have a temperature between those two. The values mean something in the context of the population and the wording of the problem.